to the channel, JJ Evil. In case you wonder what happened with the last video, which was supposed to be two-part video, what actually ended up happening was I ended up returning the camera, the backup camera. Yeah, I returned it due to the fact that I found the monitor display too big. Couldn't really find a spot to fit it on the car so it can look somewhat like low-key, not too noticeable. So yeah, it just looked like a GPS basically. Anywhere I tried to put it, it was drawing too much attention, in my opinion, for my liking. So yeah, I ended up returned it, and yeah. Anyway, long story short, today's video will be completely different. I'll be adding some mods to the car. I ordered Vlands Headlights online, and let's see how it goes. Alright, so first thing first, I haven't opened it yet, so you guys, you and me, will be opening together. Keep in mind, I'm only using one hand. Okay, that's a lot better. Oh yes, baby. Yes. Can't show you, not yet. I'm kidding. Oh boy, this is beautiful. Ready? Boom. Yeah, I'm not removing the plastic shield wrap, whatever, until I get it fully mounted in the car. But you can get the idea. This will be connected to the accessories, they light, they run light, and this will be the full connector. Boom. Yeah, pretty straightforward. Mounting brackets, one screw, and it has this portion right here in case you have HID lights. You bolt it in here, little ballast, and you'll set. Uses an H7 and it's not included, so I placed that order separately, and it did not come in with the headlights, the same order. So that's probably gonna come in later in the week. This should have came from factory. I mean, this should have been a stock headlight. Yeah, somebody else figured it out, not Mitsubishi. And this right here, okay. Let's see here, 2 fuses. We'll check it out later on when I get it ready for the store. Alright, so as you can see, if you're seeing this, you already know what's going on. Lift it up a little bit, but it's picked it up a little bit so it's easier to remove the this bottom covers right here, which is probably 1, 2, 3, 4. Same on the other side. Held on the bottom. On the top, you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it's held by this that I snapped. And that one, then this into under the light. Alright, so real quick update. This is a must. Whenever you remove your front bumper, you may want to paint this part. That's the power steering cooler. You may want to paint that black along with the horn, which goes mounted right in there. because believe me, you're gonna thank me on that when you reinstall that bumper. And the thing is, this thing was due for a refreshment. So what I did was I taped all this around. I messed up right here. Did not cover properly, so I painted a little bit. I should be able to come off with some buffing. I painted this grill and this one, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so fast forward a few days, I did order a new set of LEDs for the fog lights. This one. I did order a yellow film, not yellow, like an amber film for the fog lights. So I'm gonna reinstall that, redo them, because they were originally yellow when I first got the car from the previous owner. And what else? And I have the LEDs for the projector that's here, so I'm gonna install them right now. I'm still waiting for my masterpiece. Okay, so this are on. Now I'm just waiting on. First of all, I gotta finish up with the headlights. Still gotta put the mounting screws, install the light bulbs, and then I'm waiting for my masterpiece, which is lip. So fast forward again. Here is the last piece of the puzzle. So this is it. Here comes see some baby hardware, which I'm pretty sure won't even be able to use it. So I'm gonna put that up on here. So I gotta pick that up somewhere, somehow. Alright, so I somehow managed to get on top of this. This is on a treadmill. Alright, so here it is. Definitely pain in the ass doing it by myself. Here's the lip. Got it on. I'm gonna add a couple more screws to it. I was considering they sell like some kind of liner, like a I don't know, like a rubber liner, foam liner, something like that, so I can prevent the water from going in there, or dirt, rocks, from getting stuck over there. That's what I was thinking. That's the only downfall of this. Other than that, when it fits, kind of tight. Alright, so long story short, my camera ran out of juice. I don't know, step out of the house, and then when I came back, all that pen was dead. So right now I'm shooting with the iPhone X on 4K resolution. Back to the topic. I got the lip on, secure, mounted. So I'm about to reinstall it, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks after everything is secure, mounted. So listen. Been hearing that a lot of people be dealing with the gap issue with the Vlands. As you can see, no gaps, left and right. But I did have to do some type of modification. I had to open up this hole bigger, which I'm still in the process. The drill just died, so I had to stop. And this one here, I'm not sure if I'm gonna have to rehold this. Quick, I did like I mentioned earlier, did this, slot it so I can play with it. I'm gonna have to do this one just a little bit because the hole is right there. This one as well. This one I did. Of course, none of this you're gonna see it because you're gonna have plastic cover. In the beginning of the video, I showed how the power steering cooling line used to be silver here. I painted it, yes, along with the how you call it, with the horn, and you can't even see it. Look. So it looks a lot more cleaner, you know, all black, all black.
2,000 years later.
So yeah, this is the final result. Like I promised. No gaps. And I'm about to go ahead and swap the oil. This is the new license plates I got. Wabaki, Japanese wording. Google it and you will be laughing. Promise you. Alright, go ahead and swap the oil real quick, and then this should be it. This should be a wrap for this video. Stay tuned.